Aspirations and determination are words that inspire us to reach our goals. They enable many of us to perform feats that not only bring a new wave of transformation but also motivate others. Such is the tale of Govind Jaiswal, the son of a rickshaw puller who took passengers from one place to another on the streets of Varanasi. Till some years ago, Govind had no option but to spend his days cramped in a 10 by 8 square feet rented accommodation with his entire family. But he never felt let down by his penury and adverse circumstances and kept his focus firmly on his studies. He even started tuitions at a very young age to meet the expenses of his books and studies.
मेरे आईएएस बनने के पीछे सबसे बड़ा रीज़न यही था कि मेरे फादर रिक्शा चलाते थे। यही मेरा यही रीज़न ही था, क्योंकि मैं बचपन से छोटा था तो इस बात को नहीं समझ पाता था। लेकिन जब मैं क्लास 6 में था और अपने कुछ फ्रेंड के साथ खेल रहा था तो एक किसी के घर में मैं चला गया था तो उनके फादर आ गए थे। नहीं, वाज वेरी एंग्री। जब पूछा कि तुम कौन हो तो मैंने बताया मैं उनका बेटा हूँ। तो वाज वेरी एंग्री कि तुम मेरे घर में कैसे आ गए और तुम मेरे बच्चों के साथ क्यों खेलते हो। तो उन्होंने मुझे घर से निकाल दिया।
Even-tempered Govind did not get frustrated with the countless hurdles in his way and managed his time well for his studies. He wanted to become an engineer, but his family's poor finances came in the way. Instead, he graduated from Banaras Hindu University, where the tuition fee was a mere 10 rupees. Now, Govind credits his father and elder sister for his success.
पहला एक्चुअली कैरियर का ऑप्शन मेरे घर में सब लोग डिस्कस करता था कि मैं ऑटो रिक्शा चलाऊंगा। ये फादर अगर रिक्शा चलाते हैं तो आई शुड बी मूव टू ऑटो रिक्शा एटलीस्ट। उसमें 35,000 का था। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट रेट। एक्चुअली वी आर थिंकिंग कि कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा तो 35,000। वो घर में जो परिवार में और डिस्कस करते थे कि एक तो रिक्शा ऑटो रिक्शा खरीद के लेना चाहिए, पर मैं सुनता रहता था। बट मेरी सिस्टर ने भी बोला था कि नहीं, इसको हम पढ़ाएंगे।
Govind was 24 years old when he cleared the civil services exam in 2006. He was ranked 48th among a field of 474 candidates who had qualified that year. And with that, he changed his family's destiny along with his own. His success story tells one and all, no matter how difficult the path, if one puts his mind to it, with determination and hard work, any goal can be grasped. Bureau Report, DD News.